Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. I am Lorena Jeba, born on March 24, 1986, 40 years old, from Zamboanga, Sibugay, Philippines. I am a single parent and blessed with two children ages 19 and 17 years old. I am a high school graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work as a domestic helper in Qatar for 5 years and 11 months, from August 2016 to July 2022. I serve one couple and 10 children, ages 16, 12, 10, 6, and the 10 years old triplets and 4 old twins and 9 months old baby. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months from October 2023 to December 2025.
Hello, Miss Lorena Jeva. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
Alright, may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking good care of the whole family, providing the service and they need.
Okay, so what if the parents of your employer always finding mistakes to your work? What will you do?
Sir, I will focus to work and do my best to improve it.
Alright, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet and always keep them safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look their right and left before crossing.
Okay, so what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly, check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on the time and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, this is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents and call a doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
So my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Lorena Java, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.